don't know about you guys, but I'm all done with these refined carb tortillas that smell like feet. I am over it. They are blowing me up like a balloon, and there has to be a better way. Well, stick around because in today's video, I figured out how to make this delicious protein wrap. Complete proteins in the air fryer utilizing simple ingredients that you don't think to put into your body until now. We're going to throw this together. We are going to say goodbye to the refined carbs, and we are going to pack in 25 grams of protein along with healthy fats that are going to send our weight loss soaring. What happens is into our 40s, our muscle is depleting rapidly, and we have to be intentional to save it. So stick around, throw this together with me, add it into your weekly meal plan, and I am telling you, once you taste this, you will never go back to the old wrap. So just follow along step by step if you want your purple protein wrap to turn out just like mine. Start with the purple cabbage and go ahead and put in a 1/4 cup into the bottom of the Magic Bullet blender. And then you're going to want to add in your deep colored polyphenol beets, a tablespoon, 2 tablespoons. Add in 1/2 cup of cottage cheese, a little better than 1/2 cup. It's just more protein. We're going to add in a tablespoon of our chia seeds, just 1 tablespoon of the chia seeds, and then all of our spices. You know me, the more garlic, the better. A little cayenne pepper, just a dash for that thermogenic heat effect that's going to burn up that fat that's being stored in our bodies. Ginger, turmeric. These all help with the built-up inflammation and aid in digestion. Black pepper. And finally, we're going to crack 1 egg in there. That's going to help everything bind together. And just a splash of our kefir. If you've been following along with my channel at all, you know this is a great way to get the probiotics into our bodies. Just a splash. And then once you have that all in there together, go ahead and just mix it up a little bit before you put it on the blender. It's just going to bring up that purple cabbage and the beet from the bottom and mix it in better. And it's going to be easier when you place it onto the Magic Bullet. Place the lid on. Give it a shake. And let's see what we made. So at this point, we're going to bring it over to the air fryer. I have the 6-quart Chefman, if you're wondering which air fryer I'm working with. And I went ahead and just lined the bottom with foil. I know that's not good to do for the leaching, but I laid parchment paper in there. I know there's specific trays for the air frying parchment paper, but I ran out of those. So I had to make do. But go ahead and fit it to the bottom. Leave a little bit around the edge for airflow. And then take this beautiful concoction that we just made up and pour it onto the parchment paper. And you're going to want to spread it out because this can cook up fairly thin. Remember, this is in replacement of our refined carbs. This is going to be the wrap that we're going to place, all of our other foods onto. And once you have it all spread out, place it into the air fryer. We are going to do 15 minutes at 350 degrees. And we'll check back. So here we are right at the end. Let's pull it out. There you can see what we have created, our 25 grams of complete high protein purple egg cottage cheese wrap. Right in the air fryer. We're going to set this aside, let it cool down for about 10 minutes, and then we are going to place it onto our plate, pile it with our other ingredients that is only going to add more protein, more healthy fats to continue to build that muscle, boost our metabolism, and get us the weight loss results that we're looking for. So it's been about 10 minutes. Let it cool, 5-10 minutes. You're going to pull it out. And remember, we placed the parchment paper down on the foil. So you're just going to lift it up from the corners of the parchment paper, turn it over upside down, and then just peel the parchment paper back. So that's what we have. You can see we're going to be able to wrap this up, pile it with goodies. Oh my goodness. I wish you guys were here to smell this. The smell alone will just like make your mouth water. And as you know, here at Healthy Days, we do not overcomplicate anything. So I'm just going to add some plain unsweetened Greek yogurt for more protein and probiotics. Dollop a tablespoon, 2 tablespoons down. Spread that over the wrap. And then from all the flavor that's in the wrap itself, that kind of masks the taste of the Greek yogurt if it's not your favorite. If you happen to love Greek yogurt, you're in luck because it is so good for you. And then we are going to add more healthy fats. We'll do a tablespoon of the avocado guacamole. And we just simply roll it. You can either flatbread it or you can roll it up pinwheel style. Now, I don't know about you, but I am so happy that I have an alternative to enjoy now. Look at that. I mean, does that not just look absolutely delicious? And let me show you something. What were we eating before? Were we eating these wraps? Were we taking all of our healthy components and placing it on to this refined carb? This is awful for us. We have to figure out ways to get rid of this and start being intentional to create meals like this. So how easy was that to make, guys? I mean, it's a no-brainer. All we have to do is be intentional. And look at this. Pack that in your little to-go lunch. You have all of the complete proteins, and into our 40s, that's what we have to focus on. We have the healthy fats that's going to make us feel fuller for longer. And we are adding in detoxifying our fatty liver that we are all suffering from years of built up processed foods and just aging in general. We have to clean that fatty liver. And that's why we incorporated in the purple cabbage and the beets. And look at this. With the seasonings, the flavor of it, you can't find it at a store. I've tried all the keto wraps. I've tried all the wraps that claim to be better for you. They taste like styrofoam. This recipe literally came to me in my sleep. Now, what I mean by that is I have developed a guide. It's $5. It's linked in the description. It incorporates intentional ingredients that go to work inside of my stomach chemically to work with my human biology to get me the weight loss results that I want. Now, that's just a fancy way of saying I'm intentional with what I put into my body because I know the concoction of the different ingredients and how they all chemically work together inside do different functions. Clean the fatty liver, help me feel fuller for longer, aid in my digestion. Now, that isn't something that I just knew. I researched it. I studied it. I put it into practice. And now I'm here to share it with all of you. So if you have any of your friends out there, share this with them because they probably are saying, I don't want to have to give up bread. I don't want to have to give up carbs. Well, what if you didn't have to give it up, but you just replaced it? What if you just slowly started learning micro habits that you were intentional about to replace the obscene amount of processed refined carbs that we are putting into our bodies? That's all I'm saying. That's all I'm suggesting. I want you to have the weight loss results that I've seen. I want it to be simple. I want it to be easy for you. And I want everybody to benefit from having sustainable weight loss. It doesn't have to be hard. So like I said, pick up that $5 guide. My name is Melissa with Healthy Days. I hope you give this one a try. I'm going to pack it up, head off to work, and I will see you in the next one. Oh, this is so good. Try it.